Hello guys, I have one remark about the deleted ad campaigns that I want to discuss with you. Basically, I have done this mistake. I have seen students, I have seen clients of mine to do this mistake and actually deleting one campaign. And a lot of times people think that they cannot recover it, but don't worry, I got you, I have the solution for you. Damn! Okay, let me show you. So, the way that it works is this. Here I'm on the deleted, but let me show you. So here you are on the campaigns that they are actually closed, active, or whatever, and you accidentally delete one of your campaigns. As you can see here, on this account we have 94 campaigns over here, and it says excluded deleted items, 274k spent. But this account is an account that I'm working to for the past 2 years, and we're doing a lot of campaigns, and sometimes we have to delete campaigns. What if the client comes and tells me,
hey, I want you to run something from the past January.
And a lot of people might say,
why you're deleting campaigns?
It's because I'm running dynamic creative ads and I have a limitation of 1000 ads. This account is spending sometimes even 50 or 60k per day, so I have to do a lot of campaigns, like 20 of those, and when I have something else, I have to do new ads, so I have to delete the past ones. So the way that you can see the deleted is if you can write here on the top deleted, and you can go to campaign delivery is deleted. It's going to take some time apparently, guys, because it's having several, and we can see now that we are on the deleted section over here. We have 1283 campaigns, 3.6 million spent, okay, on this period. Now the point is that if you do it by mistake, if you do it because you wanted to delete something, you can actually recover this. And the problem is that a lot of times people are doing one mistake when they try to recover them, which is this. They click on campaign delivery, and when they click on over here, for example, to see inside the campaign, they see no ads and ad sets. The problem is that in order for you to be able to see those, is that you need to actually put the deleted, ad set delivery, deleted, and ad deleted. Like this. Now you are going to be able to see everything, okay, inside this campaign. Let me choose one campaign basically so that I can show you. So let's say that we pick this one, then we pick the ad set, and then we don't have an ad. Let's go to another one who has actually an ad. Let me go in one of mine. Now we have an ad, and it's going to load an ad. Okay, so you can see that it's taking some time to load everything, but in order for you to be able to see the campaign, the ad set, and the ad, you need to put all of them on the top on the search filter area, and you need to say that they're deleted. Now, the way to recover them is by duplicating them, but let me tell you how it's working. If you take this campaign, for example, over here, let's say this one, and you actually duplicate it, you can only duplicate the campaign. If you want to duplicate the ad set, you can duplicate the ad set. And the way that is working is this. If we duplicate this campaign, we can go here, for example, and we can have now only the campaign, press the publish button. Now, if you want to actually duplicate the ad set, you have to go and actually take the campaign, go to the ad set level, wait for it to load, and now take this one and duplicate it, but this time on existing campaign, okay? And then you select the campaign that you just created so that you can put it there. The moment you do that, you duplicate it, and now it's on the campaign that you have created before. And now you do the same exact thing with your ad. You go, you're going to take your ad, you're going to duplicate it, and this time you're going to do it in existing campaign, the one that you created, and you're going to duplicate inside the ad set, okay? Now, the way that you can do this, if you're running dynamic ads, you cannot actually go and duplicate one ad in the ad set of the new campaign that you're going to create, because it's a dynamic ad. The way to do it with dynamic ads, or if it doesn't let you to find the ad set to actually put it in the new one, the way that you can do it is that you can put new campaign, name this one, test, and then go to a new ad set, name this test. So what you're doing is that, let's say that you're having a lot of interest in an ad set. You can take the ad set, put it inside a new campaign, boom, you have all the settings that you want. Let's say that this time you want to save an ad. You can take the ad, you can press new campaign, new ad set, and take it in a new ad set, and then put the settings that you want in the ad set. In that way, you can save whatever you have deleted. It can be saved actually, and you can put it back to the live status, and you can work like this. Let's do it, by the way. And publish. Now, if I'm going to go to the campaign level and actually remove those now, you will see that I was able to actually have this. What happened? Let me see. Yeah, it's a boosted post. This is why it's not happening. But anyway, this is the way to do it. When you are having a dynamic ad, you are actually duplicating in a new campaign and a new ad set. And this is the way that you can actually do it, so that you can take whatever you have deleted and move it to the live account and actually publish it and actually start having results with it again. I hope that it's not too complicated, because I'm talking for a long hour and I feel like I made it a little bit complicated. I hope you're okay. I hope you're having a great summer and vacation. And until we meet again, guys, don't forget that if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can check my book or my course. And don't forget that you have to be creative and you have to be consistent, guys.